Okay, so when we talk about action, you want me to go to the chart, you want me to analyze, but this motherfucker can't even execute. Or talk but no action. Sure, I'll go onto the charts, I'll analyze, I'll show you where the market's going to go. But when it's time to execute, your dick's between your legs and you can't fucking do it. So rather keep quiet and learn the other 80%, which is psychology. Learn that. Don't tell me about, oh my gosh, all talk, no action. I'm all about action. I know all about action. I can actually trade. I can actually execute. You, on the other hand, you've got your dick between your legs. So just keep quiet and listen. Right. Back to the most important thing, and that is the psychology, guys. Right. The psychology. It's all about execution. That's what I was saying. It's all about execution. So let's say we have this ridiculous trader who can't trade to save his life, right? Let's say we have this person who can't trade to save his life, and he comes in and he goes up against me, who is a brilliant smart money concepts analyst and knows what he's doing, but like this guy over here talking about action, he's got his dick between his legs and he can't execute. But the guy who's waiting for that retest of that trend line, that third touch, and price goes up, but he has the psychology to execute. Who's the better trader? Who's going to make money? That trend line trader is going to make more money than that smart money concept, if that smart money concept even gets into the damn market, because he can't execute. Who's with me? Like, you understand? So I can go into the market. Like I said, we can go into the market, we can analyze. We can analyze for 3:30 or 4:30, whatever the fucking time is. We can analyze, we can do that. We can go into the market. Okay, fine, I see NASDAQ going here, 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 here. But when you get there and you're like, oh my God, I'm gonna lose money. Does that help you? When you're like this, I can't do this. Is that gonna help you? So here's that trend line trader. He's like, third touch, bah, enter, 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 enter. You're here with a perfect analysis, like perfect. You know exactly where the market is, but you're here. Oh my gosh, what happens if it doesn't go there? What happens if it doesn't go there? Oh my gosh, what happens? Well, this motherfucker's already in the market. You here? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Or you enter, and then all of a sudden they come down to mitigate, and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose money. This guy's laughing at you because he understands where the market's gonna go, and he believes and has the psychology to push price higher and hold, and you're here. Oh my gosh, I'm in a minus. Close trade. I know all of you guys are doing it. Or most of you guys there. Remember, 90% of traders don't make it. Only 10% of traders are successful. You're here. Price is going up. Price is going up. You used to like, oh my gosh, should I wait for the retest? Let me wait for the next OB. Let me wait for the next OB. The next OB comes. Price is about to fall. This guy's taking his profit. This guy's taking his profit. He's executed. He's taking his profit. He's a fucking trend line trader. You have a perfect setup. You have more than what most people have running for them, and you're here. What happens if I lose? And unfortunately, that's not going to cut it. So who wins? The trendline trader. Why? Because you can't execute. But I hope you get this. So no matter what you do, no matter how well you can analyze, no matter how well your chart looks or how good it looks that price is going to go to a certain level or whatever the case is, you can't execute. You have nothing. You have this chart with a great, outcome, but that outcome doesn't come a reality because you're here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Looking like a retard. Who understands where I'm coming from here and how important execution is, how important psychology is? Now, why do you think about this? Why do you think the institutions play with your emotions so much? Why do you think about this? Why do you think the institutions play with your emotions so much? The institutions play with your emotions, guys. How many times have you seen that liquidation of liquidity? All they were really doing was playing with your emotions. The only way for them to get you out of the market is to play with your emotions. The only way to get you to become scared and pull out of your positions is for them to play with your emotions. So what do? They allow you to win. They allow you to win. They allow you to push up. They allow you to win. They get you in. They get you hungry. This is how they manipulate a market. They get you hungry. You're like, oh my gosh, I won. Just like gambling. Oh my gosh, I won. I'm going back in. I'm going back in. Oh my gosh, I won again. I'm going back in. Until you give everything you want back to the market. Tell me I'm lying, guys. Tell me I'm lying. You win, just like gambling. It's just like gambling. You win, you win, you win. And then the next one, you believe you're going to win, and they take all those lows that you got in. You got in over here, you got in over here. You bought. Next comes down, takes everything you made away. Oh. It takes everything you made away. That's why they generate liquidity. That's why they generate liquidity, because they know that you are going to get into those positions. We call them dumb money. We know that you guys are going to get into those positions. They know that we are going to lead these guys into a bull trap. They're going to buy bullish. They're going to buy bullish. They're going to buy bullish. Then all of a sudden, we got a liquidation. Price comes down, takes everybody out, and then price goes up. Why? Because they know how to play with your fucking emotions. But if you have the psychology behind understanding what they do, why they do it, you wouldn't get caught up in it. So when you stop fearing the market, that's how you get rid of that psychology. You understand? That's how you get rid of that psychology. Or rather, that's how you get rid of the bad psychology. That, you know, I feel like, you know that saying where they say that you can take, what's that saying? There's a saying, hold on, I'm trying to get that saying. I'm trying to get that saying. What is that saying? You can put a man in a jungle, I think. You can put a man in the jungle, but you can't take the jungle out of the man. And that's just basically them saying that, you know, you can put me in a situation, but if I have a certain mindset and an understanding, it doesn't matter what you teach me, I'm not going to go with whatever else you are going to teach me, if that makes sense. You understand? So it's the same thing. I can teach you to get rid of a certain psychology, but that's only if you want to. I can give you things to help you get rid of that psychology, but that's only if you want to. You see, it all comes down to you. So you can come into my mentorship or anybody's mentorship for a matter of fact. But if you can't get rid of that psychology, or if you don't want to learn and erase the old psychology, that's on you. This person's saying help them for free. I used to give free mentoring. I used to do free Zoom sessions. Everybody knows in the beginning I used to do it. But you see, let me explain to people why people charge for things. There's why people, even the richest people in the world, still charge for things. It's because when you take your hard-earned money, when you take something you've struggled for, something that took sweat and tears to achieve, you take that seriously. The reason I take trading seriously is because I know what I went through. You understand? Because you must remember now, if you don't pay a cent, whether you get it or don't get it, you couldn't care less. You understand? Imagine if I bought everybody a phone and tomorrow your phone disappears, it gets stolen, you lose nothing. You lose nothing. You couldn't care less. It had no impact on you. But when you know that, oh my gosh, I have to take this serious. This is my last hope. This is all I have left. You are going to do your absolute best. You are not going to take it for granted, because that's your hard earned. And that's why we charge. It's not like I need the money. No. I actually give most of that money away, funny enough. I have plans for that money. You understand? If you knew what I did on behind closed doors, you know, I work with children homes and the Red Cross, and do you think I hardly take that money. That money is not really mine. But the facts of the matter are that if I don't charge you, then whether you succeed as a trader or don't succeed as a trader, you couldn't care less. You understand? But again, people are saying, but the prices are high. No. Because you see, if it was cheap and you could do it over and over again, whether you lose it or don't lose it, you couldn't care less. But when something is expensive and you know that it's going to take you another 6 months to get that type of money again, you're going to take it seriously. This person saying I bought a Mustang with them. No, I didn't buy a Mustang with your money, but okay. Everybody in the mentorship could not afford that Mustang, but okay. But that's what I'm saying. You can't expect me to give you something for free. You won't learn. I need you to learn. I need you to take something seriously. The only way to make a person take something seriously is when you make them understand that what you're paying for is all with you. If you don't take this seriously, you lose the 6,000 Rand. Not me. It's no hair off my back. Understand? It's no hair off my back. But if you don't take my time seriously, then my time gets wasted. No hair off my back. But you see, most people don't take it for granted. You did not buy it, you rented it. And yet I showed everybody an invoice, a rented invoice. How do you buy a car and then it's rented? Some of you guys are idiots, honestly speaking. I don't even know why. Like, why do you even comment? Like, oh my gosh, your Mustang's rented. Rented. Hey. Yes, it's very rented. Very rented. I rented it from Mustang, from Ford. I rented it from Ford, just like the Range Rover is very rented, and the Audi, and the Maserati, and the other Audi, they're all rented. I'm a renter. Oh my gosh, I'm a renter. I'm a renter. Anyway, yeah. So get this through your head. Get this through your head. Get this through your head. It doesn't matter how great of an analyst you are. It doesn't matter how well you can analyze a chart. It doesn't matter how much effort you put into a chart. Because if you can't execute, then everything else falls back. Everything else falls back. Where's my woman? I took her back from where I rented her. Where's the M8? I showed the M8 last time, but I had to take it back. It was rented. You see, you guys can't say that I gave that a signal group is bad because this person gives out one bad signal. Last week we had not a single bad signal, not even one signal that went the wrong way. But one wrong signal and they crucify you. Marco's group is terrible because yesterday we blew our account because he gave a wrong signal, but yet we hit take profit. We just didn't hit the other two take profits, but we hit take profit number one, and if you had trailed your stop loss, you wouldn't have lost money. But no, Marco's useless. Marco blew our account, so he's not a good signal provider. Guys, I get crucified. One wrong signal. One wrong signal. Last week, the week before, everything was perfect. They were happy. Everybody's making money. Everybody's excited. Oh my gosh, Marco's got the best signals in the world. One wrong signal. Marco's trash. Marco, you're useless. Marco, your signals can go to hell. Because why? You blew your account? That's life, bro. We blow accounts. But then what happens? You 499 times, you get back up. You 450 times, you get back up. See, he says the problem is that he profits alone. No. I know how to execute. Let's look at that again. No. I know how to execute. I can give you a signal, but if you can't execute, where's the problem? Who has the problem? Why buy alone? Guys, if we go, let's just quickly go into this. Look at this. How am I buying alone when I'm giving you a setup? A whole freaking setup. So here I'm telling you what the market is going to do. Here I am telling you what the market is going to do. And yet, right? And yet, because I give a signal, right? It doesn't mean that I'm giving you a signal from here to here. I'm giving you a signal from here to here. But that is the setup. That is where price is going to go. That is where price is going. Or TP3's hit. That's what I'm talking about. One wrong signal and I am getting fucking crucified. One wrong signal and I'm getting crucified. Imagine, guys. Anyway, I give you a fucking setup. The setup is in front of you. Was this not the setup? Right? Look at this, guys. Was this not the setup for yesterday? And on that black line, the price not come to that black line and then go up again. Was the setup not in front of you? Was the setup not in front of you? One wrong signal. Marco, you blew my account. Your signals are trash. But last week you made 10,000 Rand off my signals. You understand? So again, what does come? Look what everything comes down to, psychology. Look what everything comes down to, psychology. You want to take the signal where I say buy, and then you want to get out of the 3 take profits when you have a complete setup in front of you, and then most of the time price goes accordingly. But your psychology. You see, that's the thing. It's all about the execution. You understand? Everything is in front of you. A complete daily setup is in front of you. And yes, I give you a 600 pip maybe, or a 400 pip buy or sell, but the setup is in front of you. You can go further than that. I give you a full setup.